Welcome to the Windows Guide. If you encounter Outlook error 500 while trying to access Outlook.com on your web browser, then please read this article for the resolutions. The first solution is to open your browser in the incognito mode. Let us assume you are trying to access Outlook.com on your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Select New Incognito window from the list. Open Outlook.com in this window. The second solution is to remove your Outlook alias. Go to the link mentioned in the description section of this video. The link will lead you to the Microsoft Manage page. You will notice your alias there. Click on Remove corresponding to the alias and remove it. I hope this is helpful. Please let us know in the comments section. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel.